Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kivilicious. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. I currently have the Z5 Flip. I honestly didn't even know that a new one was out until I went to pay my bill and realized there was a new one. So I wanted to get it because I'm a huge fan of these phones. This is what my Z5 looks like right now. It's currently in a case. But yeah, I'm ready to upgrade, so let's go. We got some ASMR here, and we're going to unbox this. So this is the box. This is what it looks like, Galaxy Z Flip 6. Now I got the 256 gig because I have different cloud storages, and even though I do take pictures and videos, I always still have space. So I never ever even get halfway close to the amount of space on these phones. So 256 was fine for me. Let's peel off this sticker, and then I like the box. So I actually have to trade this one in. So there is a like a return thing because I'm gonna have to return this and probably reuse that box. So this is what it looks like. And I did order a case, so actually it's funny, it came early. It said it was I just ordered it yesterday. It said it was going to be here tomorrow, and it's actually here today. So it comes with like the protective film on it, and on the back as well. And then of course, the sticker, goodness. This sticker has the IMEI and stuff. Throw that out. Now, of course, the inside of the box has, I think it comes with like the actual wire. They stopped giving the actual charger a while ago. But yeah, this is the USB-C. And then it has the, I forget what you call these things here, but that is to pop open the area with the SIM card. So I actually need to use this to take the SIM card out of my old phone and transfer it to the new one. And I also believe I have an eSIM too, so maybe I won't have to do that. I do not remember, it's been so long, but we peeled that off. Now the only thing with these phones is I learned the hard way when I first had the Z4 Flip is if you drop these phones and somehow it just so happens to land on its hinge, it will mess up. Like I had the Z4, it dropped and I had no phone. I had to order, I ended up getting the Z5 because it broke because it fell on the hinge. So if you get a case, no matter how cute the cases are, I really suggest you get a case with hinge protection. So get a case that covers the hinge too. Don't just get one that covers the front and the back. So mine is yellow, like I said, it's 256 gigs, and this is what it looks like out of the box. Looks pretty cool. And then I'll show you my phone. I'll actually take off the freaking cover because it looks kind of trashy when I want to throw that out. But this was the old one. Oh my gosh, it has fingerprints, so excuse that. But yeah, this baby is being traded in, but it's still in good condition. It just needs to be wiped. So this is the old one, and it's blue, and that's what that looks like. 4:27 p.m. So I already have this. If you look at your phone and type it up, you should have Smart Switch. So we'll go through the transfer to transfer your data. So that's the old phone. I'm going to click on English and click, you can read through the terms of service. You have the privacy, which is always good to read. Sending diagnostics to Samsung is optional. I'm not selecting that. I always do read the privacy policy, and you do have the option to opt out. It talks about, legal and arbitration, mandatory informational dispute. Always read the terms of service, y'all, before you agree to something. But I'm going to agree only to the privacy. I'm not sending data to Samsung. I'm going to have to choose my Wi-Fi. You can insert a SIM to get connected, or scan a QR code, or search for mobile plans. Yeah, so that wasn't seamless. I was hoping I could just do the eSIM transfer and boom, get that over. But yeah, the eSIM, just setting it down and clicking transfer, there was no transfer option here on the old phone, so I had to actually call. Okay, so I am transferring the data from my old Z5 flip to the Z6, and I'm using Smart Switch through Samsung. It says transfer everything, 54.9 gigs, about 39 minutes, or just calls, contacts, and messages. I'm just gonna say everything. Okay, now we're transferring. Some of the apps will show like downloading, so I'll like turn it to the side. So like, you know, some of the apps are downloading still, but it's everything like my calendar and all of my apps. Now, obviously, I will have to sign into services on this new phone, and I do have multi-factor on everything. So I will let that continue, but for the most part, all of my stuff is here. It just like, yeah, some of them are grayed out because it needs to install right now. So while it's doing that, I'll let it do its thing, and that will be it for this video. So we unboxed the phone, and I transferred, got the SIM. I had to call my provider, which is T-Mobile, because the eSIM transfer did not work, but they got it switched right away. And then once the phone came on, we got the smart switch, and it took about 3 minutes, if that, to transfer the apps. And then it just needs to finish installing all the apps, and then I will go ahead and kind of wipe this old phone off, and I'll factory reset it and get it all sent back. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm waiting on the case to come for the new phone. I ordered a couple cases. One should be here today. The other one will be here tomorrow, so I can make sure it's protected, because right now it's naked and bare. But thank you all again so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. You guys have a great week. Peace out.